The rise of artificial intelligence, how it's changing the world. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly evolved from a futuristic concept into a transformative force in our daily lives. From smart assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and automated medical diagnostics, AI is revolutionizing industries across the globe. But what does this mean for humanity? How will AI shape our future? Let's dive into the world of AI and explore its impact on society, businesses, and the job market. The evolution of AI. The journey of AI began in the mid-20th century when scientists started developing machines that could simulate human intelligence. Early AI systems were limited to basic problem-solving and chess-playing programs. However, with the rise of deep learning and neural networks, AI has achieved remarkable progress in recent decades. Today, AI can analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and even generate human-like text and images. Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are constantly pushing the boundaries of AI, making it smarter and more efficient. AI in daily life. AI has seamlessly integrated into our lives in ways we might not even realize. 1. Smart assistants. Virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa help us set reminders, answer questions, and control smart home devices. 2. Healthcare. AI-powered medical tools assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting health risks, and even performing robotic surgeries. 3. Entertainment. Streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend movies, TV shows, and music based on our preferences. 4. E-commerce. Online shopping websites use AI to personalize recommendations and improve customer experience. 5. Finance. Banks and financial institutions use AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service chatbots. AI and the job market. While AI has created numerous opportunities, it has also raised concerns about job security. Automation is replacing repetitive tasks in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. However, new jobs are emerging in AI development, data science, and cybersecurity. Experts believe that instead of fearing AI, workers should focus on upskilling themselves in AI-related fields. The demand for AI specialists, machine learning engineers, and ethical AI researchers is growing rapidly. The ethical concerns of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. AI raises important ethical questions. Bias in AI. AI systems can reflect biases present in their training data, leading to unfair decisions. Privacy concerns. AI collects vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about surveillance and data security. Autonomous weapons. The development of AI-powered weapons poses serious threats to global security. Tech companies and governments must work together to create ethical AI policies that ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. The future of AI. The future of AI is both exciting and uncertain. Scientists are working on achieving artificial general intelligence, AGI, where machines can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. If AGI becomes a reality, it could lead to groundbreaking advancements in science, space exploration, and medicine. However, experts warn that AGI should be carefully controlled to prevent unintended consequences. Many believe that AI should always serve humanity rather than replace human decision-making. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is one of the most significant technological advancements of our time. It has the power to improve our lives, transform industries, and solve complex global challenges. However, as AI continues to evolve, we must ensure that it is used responsibly and ethically. The future of AI depends on how we choose to develop and regulate this powerful technology. What do you think about AI? Will it be a blessing or a threat to humanity? Let us know your thoughts. The rise of artificial intelligence, how it's reshaping our world. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly transformed from a futuristic dream into an integral part of modern society. It has revolutionized industries, reshaped economies, and redefined the way humans interact with technology. AI is now present in our smartphones, cars, homes, workplaces, and even in the healthcare industry. It has the power to drive cars, diagnose diseases, and predict market trends with astonishing accuracy. But what does this mean for humanity? Will AI enhance our lives, or will it eventually replace human intelligence? As AI continues to advance, many questions arise about its implications, benefits, and risks. This in-depth analysis explores the evolution of AI, its applications, its impact on the job market, ethical concerns, and its potential future. Chapter 1. The Evolution of AI. Early days. The birth of AI. The concept of AI dates back to ancient times when Greek philosophers imagined artificial beings with human-like intelligence. However, modern AI research officially began in the mid-20th century. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was first coined at the Dartmouth Conference, where scientists discussed the possibility of creating machines that could simulate human thought processes. Early AI systems were simple rule-based programs, limited in their ability to perform tasks beyond basic calculations. Over the decades, AI research went through phases of progress and stagnation, known as AI winters, periods where funding and interest in AI declined due to slow advancements. However, breakthroughs in computing power, data availability, and algorithmic improvements reignited AI development in the late 20th century. The emergence of machine learning. The introduction of machine learning, ML, marked a turning point in AI history. Unlike traditional programming, where rules are explicitly defined, machine learning enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. One of the most significant breakthroughs in ML came with the development of neural networks, mathematical models inspired by the human brain. These networks became the foundation for deep learning, a subset of ML that has driven many modern AI advancements, including speech recognition, image processing, and natural language understanding. AI in the 21st century. The 21st century witnessed an explosion of AI capabilities, thanks to big data, cloud computing, and advanced algorithms. Some key milestones include 2011 IBM's Watson defeated human champions in the game show Jeopardy! 2012 Google's DeepMind developed deep learning models that could identify objects in images with high accuracy. 2016 AlphaGo, an AI system, defeated world champion Go player Lee Sedol, proving AI's ability to master complex strategic thinking. 2023-2025 AI models like GPT-4 and Gemini revolutionized human AI interaction, enabling machines to generate human-like text, code, and even creative works. These breakthroughs have fueled AI's integration into every aspect of modern life, from self-driving cars to personalized recommendations on streaming platforms. Chapter 2: AI in Everyday Life. 1. Smart assistants and automation. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become part of daily life. They help users set reminders, answer questions, and control smart home devices. Automation is also prevalent in industries like customer service, where AI-powered chatbots provide instant responses to queries. 2. AI in healthcare. The healthcare industry has seen remarkable advancements with AI. Early disease detection. AI can analyze medical images, X-rays, MRIs, to detect diseases like cancer at an early stage. Personalized treatment plans. AI helps doctors create customized treatment plans based on patient history and genetic data. Drug discovery. AI accelerates the process of discovering new drugs, reducing research costs and time. 3. AI in education. AI-powered platforms like Duolingo, Coursera, and Khan Academy personalize learning experiences, adapting to individual student needs. AI tutors can provide real-time feedback, making education more interactive and accessible. 4. AI in finance and business. AI is transforming finance and business sectors through algorithmic trading. AI predicts stock market trends and executes trades at optimal moments. Fraud detection. Banks use AI to identify fraudulent transactions and enhance cybersecurity. Customer insights. AI analyzes consumer behavior, helping businesses tailor their products and marketing strategies. 5. AI in entertainment. Streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify use AI to recommend content based on user preferences. AI is also used in video game development, animation, and even script writing. Chapter 3. AI and the job market. 1. Job automation. Threat or opportunity. While AI has created many new job opportunities, it has also automated repetitive tasks, leading to job displacement. Sectors affected by automation include manufacturing, robots replacing human workers on assembly lines. Retail, self-checkout machines reducing the need for cashiers. Customer support, AI chatbots handling inquiries instead of human agents. However, AI has also created demand for new job roles in AI engineering, cybersecurity, and ethical AI governance. 2. The future of work. To stay relevant in an AI-driven world, workers must focus on upskilling in AI-related fields, enhancing critical thinking and creativity, skills that AI cannot easily replicate, learning to collaborate with AI rather than competing against it. Chapter 4. Ethical and societal concerns. 1. Bias in AI. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Addressing bias in AI is crucial for ensuring fairness. 2. Privacy and surveillance. AI collects vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about privacy and surveillance. Governments and tech companies must establish clear policies to protect user data. 3. Autonomous weapons. AI-powered weapons pose significant ethical dilemmas. Many experts argue for regulations to prevent AI from being used in warfare. Chapter 5. The future of AI. 1. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. Scientists are working towards artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. While AGI has the potential to revolutionize industries, it also raises concerns about AI surpassing human intelligence. 2. AI and human collaboration. The best approach to AI's future is collaboration between humans and AI. Instead of replacing humans, AI should be designed to enhance human capabilities and solve global challenges like climate change, poverty, and healthcare. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. While it brings incredible benefits, it also presents challenges that must be carefully managed. The key to a successful AI-powered future lies in ethical development, responsible regulations, and a commitment to using AI for the betterment of humanity. What do you think about AI?